Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click this little blue button right behind my hand, Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I guess technically it's in front of my hand, right? The blue button. Marla's wandering around back there, so I'm sitting on the floor in my living room, packing for Junk Bonanza, packing and pricing. Oh, my husband's alarm just went off. You can see all the stuff back here for Junk Bonanza. It's all around me. Victoria's having an overnight tonight, so the poor child is going to get a rude awakening of what it's like getting ready for Junk Bonanza. But I bought something for Junk Bonanza, and I wanted to show you guys. Hang on. But I want to see if it's going to work. Let's try it. Let's see. It's for display. Oh, crap. I ripped the box. I didn't get to cut all the way through. I like to keep it in its box. It feels really heavy and substantial, which is what I wanted. And I still ended up ripping the box. Some assembly required. Okay. So I was trying to figure out how I was going to hang things. Like I had a couple of things that needed to be hung in the booth. So I went on Amazon and started browsing. And I went through the store displays and I didn't find anything that I needed or nothing that seemed right. Nothing that seemed like it. I either wanted like a floor hook or a shepherd's hook of some kind that I could hang things from. Then I came across this. There's two of them in the box, but let's see if we can get it together. Oh, that's not the end. Oh, I'm glad it's tall. Okay. I was hoping it would be. I kind of can get a visual on it when I see the dimensions listed and then they showed pictures, but I wasn't sure. So this is the hook. Nice and long, right? But what it is for plants to hang off of decks. And it has this bracket so that I can attach it to the end of a table. And then hang things over the table was my thought. Like I have the Coca-Cola light, which is not heavy because it's made from plastic. So I didn't need a super heavy duty. I mean, this is heavy duty. Don't get me wrong. This is not flimsy by any means. It's super heavy. Tighten this down. Oh my God, it is heavy. I may have to remove one section. So it comes in 3 sections and it's a little too long, but that would actually hold it up nicely over the edge of a table. So I think I'm gonna actually unscrew this, turn it this way. So this would clip on the edge of the table, and then I can hang things over. Yes, this is gonna work perfectly. The Coca-Cola lamp isn't super heavy. It's made from plastic, but I wanted to be able to hang it, and it was too big for my bird cage, like bird cage hanger, the hoop. So this is actually gonna work out great. I'm so excited. Oh. It's got, I mean, that's a good wide amount that I can open that up to go around the rental table. And I ain't gonna go nowhere. This thing is solid. Like, it is heavy duty, heavy duty. I could actually hang a heavier chandelier. It gives good clearance here. I also have that clown that I got. I don't want to take him out. He's in the box in front of me. Someone vacuuming. I have a clown that hangs from balloons that I got when I was out thrifting from the creepy clown section. And he can technically hang in the bird cage hoop, but he's a little long for that, so he'd be hitting the bottom of it. So I was like, not quite right. I'd have to shorten the strings, and I don't want to shorten his strings. But with this on the other side, so like I could hang these off two different tables. And the light on one, and then I've got two of them here. And the clown on the other one. It's gonna be perfect. Weren't expensive at all. Highly, highly recommend. If I remember tonight, because I keep forgetting things while I'm editing in the middle of the night, I'll put a link in the description below for anybody who might want one. If you're doing pop-up sales, having stuff like this that comes apart, this is gonna be awesome. I'm freaking excited. Freaking excited because it comes apart. So it's compact. The thing with the birdcage hoop is that the base on it is cast iron and it's long. So now you've got this big, heavy, long thing that's got to fit in the van somewhere, and you're trying to tuck it in, but the base is wide, and you're like, okay, so I got to slide it in here, and it's just, this thing is, it can fit under the seat of the car. You know what I mean? I can fit under my van seat and not take up any room. And I've got two of them in here, which is going to be perfect for hanging the two pieces that I want to hang. I only want to hang two pieces. The Coca-Cola light and the clown. And that's it. And that way, if either one of those sells, I can even take it down. So it's not in the way, and I'm not having to keep it, pack it, and I love it. Love it. Perfect. More packing. And this is where I lost the will to live. That box is pretty much full. That one's getting there. I gotta price the stuff that's in this bag, and there's price tags in there. And then this stuff is all too new. That's gotta go bye-bye. And then I gotta take the dog out, apparently go sleepy night-night now. Margo, come here. Margo sighting. It's time for bed. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.